Question 8. Megan says, if two rectangles have the same perimeter, they must have the same area. Is she correct? Circle yes or no. Now all we need to do to prove if she's wrong is to find one example where two rectangles with the same perimeter do not have the same area. So let's choose a simple perimeter, for example 10 centimeters. And let's draw a couple of rectangles. Well, let's think about what the measurements could be of these rectangles to give a perimeter of 10. Well, we could have the lengths both being 3s. If the lengths were both 3s, that would be 6 so far, and we'd have 4 to split equally between these two. So these two widths would have to be 2s. We could do a perimeter of 10 in a different way. We could say that both the lengths are 4s. Well, 4 and 4 makes 8, so that would leave 2 left to split between the widths. Split 2 between the widths, they would have to be 1s. So both of those rectangles have perimeters of 10. Same for the rectangle on the left as the rectangle on the right. They've both got a perimeter of 10. The question is, what is the area? Now at this point we need to remind ourselves that the area of a rectangle equals length times the width. And all we need to do now is apply that formula to both rectangles. So the area for this one on the left would be 3 times 2, which is 6 centimeters squared. And the area for the rectangle on the right would be 4 times 1, which is 4 centimeters squared. So there we have it. We have shown that two rectangles with the same perimeter do not have to have the same area, because 6 centimeters is different to 4 centimeters. So she is not correct. So we need to circle no. In terms of the explanation, all you would have to do would be show this sort of working out and say, because you can have rectangles with the same perimeter but different areas, and then just give the example.